Mga kaibigan, makakapanayin po natin dito ang isa po nating kababayan mula pa sa ibang bansa. Meron po siyang nais na introduce sa atin. Lalo na ngayon sa panahon na meron tayong problema sa fuel. So, pwede po malaman, ano po ang pangalan ninyo?
Ako po si Mario Lopez, galing po ako sa California, USA. I'm international representative po ng Eptech Corporation, yan ang manufacturer ng Polytron advanced lubricant po.
Alright. So, sir, yung pong inyong company, nagsimula po sa Amerika?
Yes po, ang produkto namin is Polytron lubricants.
Polytron?
Polytron.
Lubricants.
Lubricants
Okay,
po.
okay.
And it's made and manufactured in USA.
Apo.
Primarily for military at saka commercial industrial equipment. But it's not limited to motorcycle, small cars, anything with combustions or anything that needs lubrication.
Okay. So, ito pong Polytron lubricant, tama po, sir?
Yes.
Ano po yung ginagawa nito?
Ito po ay this technology po. This is a technology.
Alright.
And it's a unique way of treating metal. When we treat the metal by means of impregnating yung crystal structure po ng metal, yung surface niya magiging 15 times harder pero flexible.
Alright.
So ang resulta po noon, because we can reduce the friction
Alright.
to almost 99%, there will be less resistance po sa piston ring at saka cylinder.
So, ang ibig sabihin, sir, medyo yung lubricant na ito ay magpapatipid sa ating pong ang combustion na paggamit po ng ating makina?
Yes po. Kasi maraming tinatawag na positive effects doon as a domino effects.
Alright.
When we impregnate the metal and we can make it smoother, now we actually reduce friction. When you reduce friction, you reduce heat.
Alright.
And when you reduce heat, you also reduce wear ng mga metal sa loob ng makina.
Alright.
Because the combustion engine is now what we call complete combustion.
Medyo cool siya. Cool siya.
At madali, mawawala yung tinatawag na blow-by gas.
Alright.
Pag-i-google na lang po yun.
Opo.
And then yung blow-by gas na lang. So you'll have what we call fuel efficiency sa makina. And your burning efficiency is almost 100%.
Wala itong pangit na epekto sa, kasi ilalagay natin siya sa, with the fuel ba, sir, or with the
Dalawa.
fuel or with the oil?
Both. Mayroong kaming MTC para sa tinatawag metal treatment concentrate para sa oil.
Alright.
Pero yung ratio 10% lang.
Okay.
Kaya kung let's say 5 liters yung capacity ng makina, lalagyan mo ng 4.5 at saka half a liter ng Polytron MTC.
Alright.
Yung isa naman para sa gasolina, tinatawag na fuel conditioner for gas or diesel. Hindi namimili. Hindi rin namimili kung anong klaseng oil.
Alright.
Synthetic or mineral.
Okay.
Ang mangyayari noon, when we combine both, it can reduce 90% of pollutant emission sa makina.
Okay.
So that actually affects our environment.
Alright.
So you can
Friendly
imagine,
pa siya, environment friendly.
environment friendly, but because of the efficiency of gas, many in Philippines now, since,
taas.
we can actually, many experience, hindi galing sa akin to or data, mas
Apo.
mataas yung experience dito. Some of them experience almost 50%
Reduction.
fuel efficiency na natipid.
Less, oo.
Pero mo,
50% of less fuel consumption.
yes, because of naging efficient yung makina. So you can imagine, if gas is 78 pesos per liter,
Apo.
right? And then you save 50%, let's say, or 40%, basically you're in the 37, 38 pesos per liter.
Apo, alright. Yeah.
Question, that's how you calculate that. Where can you find ang 38 pesos per liter ngayon?
Opo, oo nga. Pero sir, ang tanong dito, how long na ito pong lubricant na ito ay nasa market?
Good question. Because our products was developed since 1994.
Okay.
And we never sold it sa mga retail store because we're focused only in military and commercial.
Okay.
Direct sa end users.
Alright.
And there is a reason why we choose that way. One is because it's hard to understand a very advanced lubricant. Kaya pag nilagay mo sa shelf yun, people will always choose the cheapest one, di ba?
Opo.
But us, we more choose on results and quality of the product.
So
That's
it's 1994 pa po na
Yes,
ginagamit.
1994
Ang
pa.
military, binabanggit po ninyo.
Yes.
So far, wala naman po bang adverse effect
Wala po.
sa mga users?
Yes. I think that maraming tinatawag
Karamihan
na
positive.
100%.
100% positive.
Kasi we have our R&D in California. Our office is in Newport Beach.
Ito ba sir, kasama ito sa matatawag nating nanotechnology?
Well, it's almost like a nanotechnology in a way because part of it will dissolve carbon deposits. That's how we can accomplish reducing almost 90% of pollutant emissions.
Sir, binabanggit nyo medyo may kamahalan. May kamahalan po ba itong lubricant na ito?
Well, this is one of the things that I like to highlight also is the price important? I'll give you a little bit of what we call cost analysis.
Alright.
Let's say, ang palit mo ng oil every 5,000 kasi ginagamit mo mineral. Every 5,000. Let's say, nagagastos mo, let's say, 2,500 pesos. Right? So ngayon, when you use Polytron MPC, now you don't have to change 15,000.
Okay.
So makakatipid ka at least mga 3 beses.
Oh, 45.
At least you will save about, mga
45 kilometers, 45,000.
No, you will save 2,500 pesos times 3.
Oh, so times mga 75.
Yeah. So mga 7,500, right? At least.
And
Ngayon,
and the lubricant will cost
well,
how much?
what happen is, if it's costing you 3 times, pero now you will only change once.
Okay.
So what happen is, yung na-save mo, yun ang pambili mo ngayon dun sa next, ang half a liter or what we call 473 ml, it's only 1,700 pesos.
So 1,700.
Ngayon, people that must ask. Pero our objective is if we can save you money from extending the oil life,
Apo.
yung natipid mo, yun ang pambili mo. So in a way, panalo ka pa rin.
Sir, ito ba, available na to sa market or by order po ito? Paano po? Kunyari meron tayong nakikinig, interested sila.
Yes.
How can they avail that?
Yes, today, we just opened Palawan, and we have prospective mga distributors sa Palawan ngayon.
Apo.
But our warehouse is in Bulacan, and we can easily ship it in Palawan. But once we have distributorship in Palawan, it's
Alright.
easy from the church.
Sa Life Church?
Life Church, we have quite a few members that probably, some of them are using it already.
Well, okay.
But for supply, we have enough to distribute for the whole Philippines. So if you're interested, we have a website also.
Okay.
It's called www.polytronfields, POLYPHILS.com. Polytron Fields.
So pwede itong ma-order through Shopee or Lazada or online?
So far, none of our distributors are selling through that.
Okay.
They're doing mostly on the distributorship sa mga warm market. It may come to that later, but I think there are more madaling ibenta kasi sa mga sa public. So because when you go through that means of selling, may mga service charge yun eh. So if they can sell it through
Direct
Walmart,
selling,
basically they're more profitable.
Sige
But
po.
it's not limited to sell it there.
Alright,
But
alright.
the Polytron products.
So ito sir talagang dinadagdag doon sa fuel or doon sa oil?
Yeah, the oil is what we call lubricant. It's not
Opo.
additives.
Opo. Doon naman sa fuel?
Yung what we call fuel conditioner. Fuel conditioner.
Fuel conditioner. Okay.
It's for diesel or gas.
Oh, so pwede pala. So
Yes.
diesel or gas, magkapareho lang?
Yes.
Okay.
Even the MTC. Yung metal treatment concentrate is good for power steering. You can use for transmission,
Alright.
engine, gas or diesel, transmission.
So mapaprolong siya ng times 3.
Yung
If I remember,
intervals,
yes.
times 3, but your equipment like makina, transmission, the lifespan, it will extend to 600%.
Wow.
So, economics. So what we say,
Ano yun sir, may pag-aaral dyan talaga? May research dyan?
we have all the proof and we have all the
okay.
specifications. Let me tell you something. Since 1994, military, think about it, our customer clients are
US
very-
military po ito.
all
Iba-iba.
over, but there are names that we cannot mention.
Okay, pero
But it is military. We have talagang, you know.
So paano sir naisipan nyo na ipa-mainstream to sa market?
Well, what happened is because commercial meet the demands. Like, for example, yung mga power generators,
Apo.
rock quarries, some of them are like small truck companies,
Alright.
or locomotives,
Okay.
marine engines.
Yes.
That demands, all of a sudden it appears into the market because they found long-term positive effects.
Wow.
So that demand, all of a sudden, I thought of going
Nag-shoot
in.
up.
It shoot up,
Oh.
but also I thought
Even
of
sa
it-
America, sir?
America also.
Wow.
Yeah, because, but a lot of it is outside America. Because a lot of, like for example, Mexico, Central America, Romania, people there like to save money, just like Philippines.
Oo. Ang Amerikano kasi maraming pera.
No. Yeah, maybe they're spoiled. I don't know. But when sometimes, like you're right, if you have a lot of money, you don't think about
Oh,
saving until you
yeah.
become poor, right?
That's right.
But our products, basically, honestly, like I've been doing business for 30 years. I have never seen one like it. That's why I stuck to it. Ito lang produkto na hindi ako napapahiya.
Opo.
That's why I
opo,
do
opo.
the demonstration.
Oh, sige nga,
I
sir.
also do seminar for engineers.
Dapat pala dinala ko sa sasakyan ko,
Of course, I think I would like to send you something you can try as from me. This is recorded, right?
Yep.
I will give this to you a complimentary, and I need your report.
All right.
Deal?
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
So that you can really experience what we're
Experience
talking
it personally.
about. Of course.
Because it's hard when you just heard it.
Everything is theory. That's why we do the demonstration.
All right.
Because it's too good to be true, sabi nga.
How about hindi naman po sir, no? Kunyari, ginamit tapos nasira ang sasakyan nila. Wala ba tayong ano dyan?
Well, there is no liability. There is a what we call liability insurance, right? But so far, since 1994, wala
Wala
pong
namang
nasisira.
ganon kahit na minsan.
You'll be the first one.
Huwag naman. Huwag naman.
Congratulations, you broke the Guinness Book of Records. So,
Pero yung sir, yung naka-discover nun,
it was developed
it was developed by scientists.
Scientists, and it was actually funded. He got some funding from U.S. government. Alam mo sa U.S. kasi, when you submit certain good product,
Yes, sir. Yeah,
may assistant doon.
Correct. Unlike here.
Or other countries, they will not entertain you for some reason. Pero in U.S., if they like it, they'll even give you grant.
Wow.
Of course, it's to the. That's why we discovered a lot in U.S.
Wow. So you're also a scientist, sir.
No,
Sir Mar.
I'm not a scientist. I'm just a missionary Christian
Okay.
who is trained by the company as almost like engineering, mechanics. And they
So you
trained me.
developed this product, sir.
They did, but they trained me to market it. So my title is actually I'm the international representative
Oh.
ng Eptech Corporation. So whenever a country opens, they
So
send
it's
me
you.
out. Or if I want to open a country like Philippines,
Oo.
I open this country. So I'm the one who came.
Sir, how about doon sa mga listeners natin, no? Kaya yung makapanood dito sa Facebook at
Yes.
interested sila, what
Yeah.
will they do?
Go to the our
The website that you have,
and
just
you
said.
can message us in Facebook as well
All
on
right.
that website. And then the phone number is there. You can contact our head office.
All right.
Tell them Mario Lopez sent you.
Mario Lopez. Mario Lopez.
Yeah, not the actor. This is Mario Lopez.
Okay. Because the Lopezes are rich in this place.
I am the poor Lopez.
Sir, anything more you want to say?
All I can say is this. There's a lot of product out there. But I like to really emphasize this. My mission is really how we can save you money but make your operation efficient,
All
including the businessman out there. But I'm calling to all population in Philippines. My mission is to reduce the pollutant emissions.
All right.
Because as you can see, it's been proven. During the lockdown, when the COVID came, they noticed that it's clear in Makati or Itza. What happened? Because there were less vehicles running around.
Yes.
So less emission, it got cleared. So we know one of the biggest culprit in the air pollution is actually the combustion
That's
engine.
right, that's right.
And there's no way you can eliminate those. And one fact is that the vehicles in Philippines will not diminish. It will increase.
Tama,
Right.
sir. Tama. Kahit dito po.
So how do you immediately remedy that? you need something like Polytron.
All right.
Are there any other products? I don't know, but if there is, bring it in just to see how we can clear the pollutant emission, because the air pollution is causing a lot of problem health-wise, from diabetic to high blood pressure, skin disease, eyesore, everything. So there is a lot of negative side effect. What do we do? Then you have to act immediately. And this is one of the solutions I would say we can recommend. And then if you want to know more on the technical side, I'm here to answer all the questions.
All right.
All right. So my name is
Sir Mario,
Lopez.
thank you very much, Sir Mario Lopez.
Yes. And your station name?
Radyo Pilipinas, Palawan, sir.
Thank you, Radyo Pilipinas, Palawan. This is Mario Lopez signing off.
All right. Thank you very much po. Ang parang marketing consultant
Yes.
ng company niyo, sir, ay
Eptech Corporation.
Eptech Corporation,
is the
sir.
manufacturing of Polytron.
Anong
Manufacturers,
Polytron.
yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.